Hello and welcome to new episode of Wired and Weird, where we explore some of the most amazing technical and scientific and AI insight that are revolutionizing our world and touching our day-to-day lives. Today, we are talking an exciting look into the future of jobs. As we approach 2030, technology is rapidly reshaping our world and it is transforming the job market in profound ways. But which jobs will thrive and which are at risk of disappearing? In this video, we will explore expert predictions on the industries set to flourish, those facing disruption, and how emerging technologies like AI, automation, and digital advancements will reshape the global workforce. Historical perspective, 3 centuries ago, nations that accumulated wealth through natural resources and capital rose to prominence. As Adam Smith chronicled in The Wealth of Nations, this led to the birth of industrial capitalism. But today's 21st century economy, imagination, invention, and technological organization are the new strategic ingredients for success. As Lester Thoreau notes, brain power is now the most valuable asset. As we move further into the 21st century, job that requires intellectual capital, creativity, and advanced skills in the field like AI, biotech, and engineering will continue to drive global progress and innovation. First up, the entertainment and creative industry are expected to boom. With a platform like TikTok, YouTube, and streaming services gaining massive popularity, the demand for new innovative content is skyrocketing. As people gain more leisure time, creators will be in high demand, especially for personalized entertainment. From actors to content creators, these careers are not easily replaced by machines, and the rise of virtual influence and AI-driven digital avatars is blending technology with creativity in ways we have never seen before. Meanwhile, the tech and software industries are experiencing unexpected growth as AI, VR, and AR transform how we are interacting with the world. There is a huge demand for software developers, programmers, and designers to create these revolutionary systems. Where hardware cost may be dropping, the need for creative talent in tech will only increase as companies seek innovative solutions to complex problems. The surge of AI-based apps like ChatGPT shows that while machine can learn, humans are still essential to build, train, and maintain these systems. Science and technology are also safe bet for future. Engineering scientists and researchers will remain high demand as they continue to push the boundaries of innovation. AI may help automate some tasks, but creativity and scientific discovery remain unequally human abilities. Fields like renewable energy, space exploration, and AI-driven research are leading the change towards the new breakthroughs that could create entirely new industries and job markets. In healthcare, we will see even more growth. With aging populations and advanced in biotechnology, healthcare professionals will always be crucial. The rise of telemedicine, AI assisted diagnostics, and genetic engineering are just the beginning. Empathy and complex medicine treatments are still far beyond the reach of machines. And biotechnicians will play a key role revolutionary medicines from personalized treatments to CRISPR advancements. However, not all the jobs will thrive. Traditional roles like travel agents, real estate agents, and even bank tellers are at risk of disappearing as technology takes over. With more people booking travel online, buying home through virtual platforms, and managing their financials with AI-driven tools. These jobs are becoming less essential, but that doesn't mean they are all doomed. Those who specialize in high-end personalized service may still find opportunities. Similarly, the manufacturing and unskilled labor sectors are under threat from automation. Machines are talking over prospective manual tasks, especially in factories and warehouses. Workers in this field must adapt by learning how to manage and supervise the machines, talking their place over by upskilling, handle more advanced technical roles. To understand the impact of such technological disruption, let's take a quick look at historical examples. The horse and buggy industry. When the automobile was invented, it was revolutionized transportation and made horse-drawn carriages obsolete. Thousands of jobs from blacksmiths to coachmen disappeared, but their place entirely new industries were born: auto manufacturing, car mechanics, dealership, and more. This pattern is repeating today with AI and digital technology. Just as automobile reshaped the society, these new technologies will change not just jobs, but every way we live, work, and think. While some jobs will disappear, roles that require direct human interactions, such as chauffeurs, maids, personal trainers, and tutors, will still be in demand. Personalization, empathy, and creativity are difficult to machines to replicate. Ensure that these roles remain vital. The information services sector is also set to explode. With the rise of 5G, cloud computing, and Internet of Things (IoTs), jobs in cybersecurity, cloud management, and IT service will see growing demand. As our reliance on digital infrastructure increases, so will the need for human oversight, maintenance, and updates to keep things running smoothly. Healthcare, once again, is a field poised for massive growth. As population ages and biotechnology advances, new jobs like genetic counselors and AI-assisted healthcare specialists will emerge, requiring specialist human care and innovative medical solutions. This sector is already experiencing rapid changes, and its future looks brighter than ever. As we look ahead to 2030, one thing is clear: adaptability is key. Whether you are in tech, healthcare, entertainment, or any other field, the future belongs to those who can blend human creativity with cutting edge technology. Understanding how these shifts are happening and positioning yourselves to take advantages of them will be essential for future success. So, what do you think? Which job do you believe will thrive or disappear? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more insights into the future of work and how we can stay ahead in the curve. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Wired and Weird. Thank you.